Welcome to the world of the 10x Rule by Grant Cardone, where success is not just a goal, but a lifestyle. In this book, Cardone introduces us to the power of setting goals that are 10 times bigger than our current aspirations. But it's not just about dreaming big, it's about putting in 10 times the effort to turn those dreams into reality. The 10x rule challenges us to break free from mediocrity and embrace a mindset of relentless action and determination. So, if you're ready to take your life and your success to the next level, dive into the 10x rule and unlock your true potential. The 10x rule by Grant Cardone, where we delve into the mindset and necessity of thinking and working 10 times bigger and harder than you ever imagined. Cardone introduces us to the core principle of the 10x rule. Success requires thinking and acting on a scale 10 times larger than what you initially believed. Whether it's sales, entrepreneurship, or personal growth, the 10x rule challenges us to push beyond our comfort zones and strive for excellence. Why the 10x approach is essential? When faced with obstacles, setbacks, and failures, having goals that are 10 times bigger ensures that we are prepared to tackle any challenge head on. So, whether you're aiming for personal growth or business success, remember the power of the 10x rule. Think bigger, work harder, and watch as your dreams become reality. The 10x rule by Grant Cardone, where we explore the true essence of success and the importance of aiming high. Cardone reminds us that success isn't merely about luck or circumstance. It's about having the right attitude, thinking big, and facing challenges head on. Cardone reminds us that success isn't merely about luck or circumstance. It's about having the right attitude, thinking big, and facing challenges head on. By embracing the 10x rule, you're not just aiming for success, you're preparing yourself to overcome any obstacles that come your way. Success isn't just about personal achievement, it's about making a positive difference in the lives of others and the world around you. So, remember, success is within your reach, but it requires hard work, dedication, and the willingness to aim higher than ever before. The 10x Rule by Grant Cardone, where we delve into the undeniable truth that there's no shortcut to success. Cardone dismantles the myth that success is reserved for a select few and emphasizes the importance of hard work and perseverance. Instead of seeking shortcuts, Cardone urges us to work smart and diligently towards our goals, understanding that there's no substitute for hard work. Success isn't about achieving at the expense of others, it's about making a meaningful contribution that benefits everyone. To achieve success, one must take full responsibility for their life, actions, and outcomes, abandoning the blame game and excuses. Remember, success is within your reach, but it requires discipline, dedication, and the willingness to take ownership of your journey. Degrees of Success, where we explore the 4 degrees of reaction to challenges and how they impact our journey to success. When faced with a challenge, successful individuals adopt the habit of tackling it head-on, putting in their best effort without hesitation. Instead of settling for mediocrity, successful people aim high, setting goals that are 10 times bigger than their wildest dreams. Aiming for average is not enough. It's essential to strive for greatness and pursue goals that inspire and challenge us. Passion fuels our journey towards success, driving us to persevere through challenges and remain committed to our goals. Remember, success is not about settling for the ordinary, it's about daring to dream big, working relentlessly, and embracing passion every step of the way. Where we explore the role of fear in guiding us towards success and the importance of effective time management in achieving our goals. Fear is not a barrier, it's a sign that you're on the right path. Embrace your fears as indicators of growth and progress. Time is limited, but the key to success lies in efficient time management and emotional control. Focus on maximizing productivity and achieving more in less time. Success starts with setting ambitious goals and pursuing them relentlessly. Avoid the trap of complacency and continue striving for greatness. Success starts with setting ambitious goals and pursuing them relentlessly. Avoid the trap of complacency and continue striving for greatness. Remember, fear is a sign of progress, and effective time management is the key to unlocking your full potential. Keep pushing forward, and success will follow. In the journey to success, criticism is not a setback but a sign that you're on the right path. Embrace criticism as an opportunity to improve and grow. To achieve success, prioritize your goals and avoid distractions. Focus on making meaningful contributions and adding value to others' lives. Customer satisfaction is important, but it's not the ultimate goal. Instead, focus on attracting new customers and exceeding their expectations. Excuses are roadblocks to success. Take responsibility for your actions and confront challenges head-on, without making excuses. Success is not a matter of luck but a result of hard work and determination. Adopt the mindset and actions of successful individuals to achieve your goals. In the pursuit of success, it's essential to learn from those who have achieved the greatness we aspire to. By adopting their habits and mindset, we can pave our own path to success. Living by the 10x rule means pushing yourself relentlessly forward. Embrace failure as a stepping stone towards growth, and never let the fire of enthusiasm within you burn out. To succeed, you must be willing to bet everything on your goals. Break down your big aspirations into smaller, actionable steps and tackle each challenge with determination. Break free from the limitations of middle-class mentality and think boldly about your future. Your name is your most valuable asset. Ensure it's synonymous with excellence in your field. The 10x rule is more than a strategy, it's a mindset that propels you towards extraordinary achievements. Success isn't a stroke of luck, it's the result of relentless hard work and unwavering passion. This book isn't your average self-help guide, it's a treasure trove of practical wisdom that can revolutionize the way you approach success. Grant Cardone's 10x rule isn't just about setting big goals, it's about operating at a level 10 times higher than your peers. And let me tell you, embracing this mindset has completely transformed my life. One of the standout concepts is the idea of obsession. Cardone argues that being obsessed with your goals isn't a flaw, it's a necessity for achieving greatness. And let me tell you, once I adopted this laser-focused mindset, I started seeing results like never before. But the 10x rule isn't just about achieving your goals, it's about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Cardone's writing style is engaging and easy to follow, peppered with real-life examples that bring the principles to life. Since diving into this book, I've completely overhauled my work ethic, mindset, and approach to success. I'm more motivated than ever before, and I truly believe that I'm on the path to greatness. So, if you're looking for a game changer in your personal and professional life, look no further than the 10x rule. Trust me, it's worth every second of your time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on achieving your goals and living a life of purpose.